Ako yung mic. Lalo na po kanina. May pete. Ayoko na ba yan?
22-20, 2-point lead by Fantasy.
Ilan? Baby, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass number 4. Number 4! No good. Number 88. Number 88. Pass number 7. Good for 2. Yun, sigaw kayo para maingay din sa Mawa Coliseum. Opo. Number 4, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4 below, good for 2. Number 7. Pass to number 88. Number 88, 100, good for 2. So let's go to B, nakuha ni number 88. Pass to number 11. Pass to number Binalibale, pinasa, number 7. Nakuha ni Didi. Pass up to. Pwede lang. Number 23, pull up. Yay! No good. Nakuha ni number 88. Number 88. Teardrop is good. Or 2. Hindi. Grabe ilogan namin. 200 isa. 200 isa. Number 4. Pass to number 03. Off. Traveling. Violation. Traveling. 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 Number 6, foul. Foul number 23. Number 23. First personal foul. First foul. Now on number 12, pass to number 4. Outlet pass kay number 23. Levis. Good for 2. Tumingin-tingin sa gilid at napasulyap. Number 7. Pass to number 44. Number 11. Pass for 3. No good ako ni number 23. Outlet pass kay Bilog. Bilog Levis. Good for 2.
28-26, 2-point lead by Fantasy.
Number 6 na walang bola. Out of bounds, ball. Number 88, Bars. No good. Now winning number 7. Number 7, ginasak. So wala bola. Now winning number 23. Now winning Bilog. Nagkasalpukan. Ngingiti yan si JP, syempre. Number 4, pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12, pass to JP. Pass for 3. Harbon, Sebo. Sa isang munting harana. Pagsaya. Fantasy.
Score natin 28-26, 2-point lead by Fantasy.
Gusto pa ba mahalin ikaw ay nagtataka.
Si Yuan pala yung kakakasino.